everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to be productive and motivated working from home. I am going to cover some of the things you might want to know about working from home in a BPO industry. Of course, before we proceed, I would like to tell you what are the benefits of working from home. If you like this kind of content, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll get notified on my next videos. It is so great to work from home because we can schedule our schedule when we work around your loved ones. It is also very convenient for those who have kids or anyone they would like to take care of after work. We don't need to travel to go home from the office. Let's be real. No matter where you're working from, you are still doing just that, working. With that being said, let's take a look at some of the benefits of working from home. Of course, you get greater flexibility in your schedule and your day-to-day life is easier to manage. Forget crowds and traffic, zero commuting, from bed to bed. Hey, I'm not judging, it's nice. Most people love it. You can be way more comfortable and cozy. You can complete more work tasks and assignments. You spend less money outside of the house. You can save money. Why? Of course, mahal na mga bilihin ngayon. At least you don't need to go out or eat outside because you can cook at home, right? So without further ado, let's get started. What are the things to do to stay motivated and productive? First, think of 3 goals that motivates you. Either it's your dream or things that make you happy. Ako kasi things that motivates me are my dreams and goals in life. Some of you have kids or family to support which motivates you to work hard, right? Of course, you're not going to be productive if you are not motivated. Second, have a designated workspace. Having a set area can make you focus and more productive. If you have a home office or desk, you're already good to go. Third, make a list of priorities. Having a list of priorities will help you stay focused and get work done. Instead of doing home chores, you will finish by taking off work tasks from your list and will feel sense of achievement once you've done so. Kaya minsan kapag feel kong di ko matatapos yung task, minsan nag-extend talaga ako just to feel comfortable that I was able to finish all my tasks during that day. Fourth, have an open line of communication. Having an open line of communication with your colleagues to ensure an easy workflow, it's necessary to open lines of communication with both your manager and your colleagues. By checking in with your manager, you'll update them on what you are working on, and they will feel more at ease, knowing that the same level of work is being produced as if you are in the office. Fifth, don't try to multitask. Trying to get several tasks done at the same time is counterproductive.
Oh, no!
You might think that you can watch your favorite Netflix series while getting through this month's accounts, but don't fool yourself. Focus on one task at a time, give yourself a time limit, and complete your task within that time frame before you move along to the next thing. Sixth, avoid distractions. It's easy to get distracted in environments that you usually associate with relaxation. Get rid of all and any distractions. Put your phone on airplane mode and hide your TV remote to eliminate the temptation of turning this device on. Seventh, don't snack for the sake of it. With the fridge being within arm's reach, it's easy to grab your favorite snacks throughout the day. However, unnecessary calories can leave you feeling slumped and less energetic. If you're going to snack, opt for healthy choices like carrot sticks or fruits. 8. Take a lunch break. Whether you're in the office or at home, it's easy to skip your lunch break and power through the day. However, It's even more important when you're confined to the house that you do take this break. 30 minutes away from your laptop or PC will help you relax and focus. 9th, offer support to others. If you have mastered remote working, why not help your colleagues out? Check in with them daily and see if they need assistance with tasks, just as you would do from the office. In addition, make sure you're available via chat, phone, or any communication method during work hours. Number 10. This is the most important. Get enough sleep. Since you don't have to wake up early and get ready for a long commute, you might stay up later to binge watch a series. But you're doing yourself no favors. Disiplina sa sarili, in short. Hindi porket sa bahay lang ipapuyat-puyat ka dyan. For the puyat ang person. To be productive from home, you still need plenty of shut-eye. So follow your normal bedtime routine and get the recommended amount of sleep. Now that you're well equipped with the best ways to be productive from home, you'll be able to prove that working remotely is beneficial for everyone. You should try working from home at least once in a lifetime. You will enjoy it. Hope you were able to learn something. If you have questions, comment below. And if you have suggestions for my next tutorial vlog, let me know and I will create it. Thank you for watching.